So, what just happened?
I think
guys, something's gonna fly.
Wait, there's a bat in the fireplace.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going back.
Catch it. We can keep it hanging.
No!
Harold. Yes.
No, his name is Bruce.
No.
Do you need a flashlight?
They have a flashlight. Do you hear it? What? I heard it squeaking.
I'm standing back here.
Is it really
Hey, tickle it out.
Oh, poor baby stuck. Wait, what is it? The bird?
Amber, Kelsey.
Is it a bird or a bat? Is it a bird? Shh. No, stop. It's a bird. It's a baby. You can't start that on fire. No, I heard that little baby. Don't start a fire. Or like, yeah.
Let's start a fire. It was a joke.
Baby.
Let's get your
fire.
dad. He'll know what to do.
Go get him. It's an emergency. Go get him.
It's an emergency.
He's like,
Dad.
With me.
Where is he?
he's in the yurt.
In the yurt.
Did you hear that? They're like, bye. You just hear him go, what?
Did they really go over there?
Yeah, he's over there. I don't know if he's sleeping or not. They probably think, really, you're getting me for a bird? Here we come.
It sounds like that there.
There are bats here. After this, I'll tell you a really sad story that happened. Well, when we used to have camp here.
Wait, do you think it's a bat or a bird?
Is there a bird? Because they're like mean tweeting noises.
At least it's not a bat.
Bats are like,
Bats are like,
I know.
Hey, how about you guys go get your leader and maybe she'll figure it out. Since she is your leader. Don't use a broom.
actually, that's the first thing that I should do. Let's get a broom and stab it. Let's see how good that
You can't really poke it because you don't know where it is.
Like, how did it get in there? It probably fell down.
Wait, what did he say? Or is he still over there?
It's like Harry Potter where they tap the bricks.
Maybe it's Harry Potter when you tap the brick.
It's really Hedwig in there.
Diagon Alley.
That's literally so smart. Smartest
What did he say?
He had no sympathy.
He said, why did you do that to me?
Did he say that?
Yeah.
You're the one that offered, go get my dad. But they're gonna, I think they're gonna go get your leaders.
Wait.
Nani went. No, I knew he wouldn't care.
I was like, but it's injured. It's not hurt. It's
Child, why would you do that to me?
Because I knew it'd be funny.
It was.
I don't think I'm measuring.
I was like,
I'll go with you.
because they need to be like
Are you going? Where are you guys going?
closer.
Julie.
There's a bird in the chimney.
Baby bird.
They went to go get.
No, I love baby birds. Let's go try to save them.
They went to go get my dad. And what did he say? He's like, I have no
Baby
sympathy.
bird.
Yeah. You gotta come
I'm not
get
climbing
me.
up there. Am I Santa Claus?
Did
I
he?
love that. That was so funny when he was like, Santa Claus? Wait, I'm not Santa Claus.
Hey, girl.
She's gonna get it.
Sister Oil
Love it.
climb up the chimney.
Wait, who's our smallest person?
So do you see the baby?
Grace, you have been voted to go get the bird.
I'm not, she's the smallest.
I say we go through the top of the bathroom.
You're like, stop.
She's little.
You know, we live in the country and we have a fireplace, but it's, you know, it's one of those, it's like a wood stove burning. Anyway, we've had birds like come down the chimney and stuff. But anyway, you think it's closed up there? Like if you lift something, it wouldn't go up.
We'll just have to go up on the roof and check.
I'll do it. See, look at the park.
We can climb up there. It's like,
There's no way for you to get up there.
You don't see anything.
You put a real world.
Parkour.
Parkour.
Hopefully you don't end up in a box like Dwight's.
Was it Dwight?
Yeah, and Michael, and they're like, and he goes,
It's all dark up there. So you think, oh, you see a little face up there? So what's that? Do you guys just hear it chirping? Did it was flapping?
Here's our animal-friendly helper.
Yeah, I mean, if it comes down here, we just take a plastic sack and just get it in it.
Let it free. You see it? Is it up there? Is it up there? Is it up there? Is it up there? I don't know.
So it should
Do you want my flashlight? You want to use two?
yeah.
Where did I put it?
Yeah, I can't see a thing.
Here.
Anyway,
It's on the bottom.
what should we do? You guys all tired?
We were going to do some who's line, but then we heard a bird.
Yeah, but then I heard the bird.
Everyone's like, oh, that. And we like all like we're sitting like right here.